Welcome back again to Eben's mathematics class. Eben's mathematics class, that is the EMC, Eben's mathematics class. So it is a mathematics class for SHS students from SHS 1 to SHS 3. It's for both elective mathematics and core mathematics class. Okay, so today we are going to look at multiplication of what matrices. Okay, yes, multiplication of matrices. We have done addition already, so we are looking at the multiplication of what matrices. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you go to my YouTube handle EMC for SHS. Okay, EMC for SHS, and then you subscribe to the channel, and then you will share. Okay, yes, so we are looking at what we have for today. Example 1, we are looking at our first example, or the task we have for today. Given the matrices A is equal to 4 to 1 3 and B, matrix B is equal to negative 1 2 5 negative 2, we are to find AB. Okay, we are to find AB. So we are to find AB means that the matrices, the two matrices are what? Multiplying. AB means multiply. Okay, I've already told you that multiplication of matrices, when you see it like this, is not A times B. No, it is A by B. This one is not multiplication. It's not multiplication sign under matrices. We call it by sign. We call it by sign. It's not multiplication sign. So when you see anything like this, it doesn't mean that the two matrices are multiplying. No, keep that one in mind. Okay, yes. So when we see two matrices like this, okay, A B, that means the two matrices are what? Multiplying. Okay, that means you are multiplying the two what? Matrices. So this is how we deal with multiplication in what? Matrices. A B, that means A multiplying what? B, you are multiplying. But when you see this way, please, you are not multiplying the matrices. So know the difference. Okay, this is when you see it in this way, it means that it is multiplying. This is how we write it. Okay, this is how we write it. So whenever you see two matrices written in this form, it means that the two matrices are being what? The two matrices are multiplying. Okay, yes. Okay, so that is it. So we are to find what? We are to find AB. Okay, so this means that we are what? We are multiplying the two matrices, which is matrix A and what? And matrix B. Okay, take note of this one too. Let's take note of this one too. AB, matrix AB, or A multiplying B and B multiplying A. In matrices, multiplication of matrices are not commutative. Okay, so when you get matrix, when it is written in that you are to multiply matrix A by B, matrix A multiplying B, okay, is different from matrix B multiplying A. When you get it in this form, when you solve this one, you get a different answer, and when you solve this one, you get a different answer. Yes, so don't interchange them. When it is AB, write the two matrices as it is. Okay, yes, you write matrix A first and then multiply it by matrix B. When it is in this form, you write matrix B first and then you multiply it by what? Matrix A. Don't interchange them. When it is B, you say, oh no, let me just first write the A and then I write the B, then I multiply. You get a different answer. You get it wrong. So when it's AB, like in this form, write matrix A first and then write matrix B, multiply by matrix B. When it's in this form, write matrix B first and then multiply by matrix A. Okay, yes, so keep that one in mind. Okay, so we go to what we have for today, our solution. So we have to multiply the two matrices. Okay, so we are going to multiply the two matrices. So we have AB, which is matrix A multiplying B, is equal to, okay, we are going to write what? Matrix A first. Okay, so 4 2, matrix A is giving us 4 2 1 3. Okay, so you have 4 2 1 3 for matrix A, multiplying what? Multiplying matrix B. You bring our matrix B. Matrix B is giving us negative 1 2 5 negative 2. Okay, 5 negative 2. Okay, five negative 2. Yes, so after that, what do we do next? Now this is how we perform matrix multiplication of matrices. Please watch here very, very well. You are going to multiply. Okay, now look at how it goes, or look at how it works. When you are multiplying matrices, you take the first row. The first row here will come and multiply the first column of the second matrix. So this will multiply 1, 4 will multiply -1, and 2 multiply what? +5. Then after that, this same row, first row, which is 4, 2, will come and, after multiplying the first column, this one will come and multiply the second column too. Okay, yes. So after multiplying the second column, the same thing, 4 multiply 2 and 2 multiply -2. Okay, yes. After you are done with that, then you come and take the second row, okay, which is 1, 3. The 1, 3 to multiply the first column, and after that to multiply the second column. Then you simplify, then you are done. That's how matrix multiplication works. So keep that in mind. Okay, yeah. So let's move on and see, and start with what? Our multiplication. Okay, so we are going to multiply. Okay, we're going to multiply. We are going to use that idea. So we are taking the first row. Okay, so first row is what? 4, 2. Okay, so 4 will multiply -1. This 4 here will multiply -1, and then 2 multiply what? 5. Okay, so we are going to get 4 multiplying -1. You're going to get 4 multiplying -1. Then you bring your addition sign, plus. Bring your addition sign, so plus. Then these 2 will multiply. These 2 will multiply this 5. Plus 2 times 5. Plus 2 times 5. Okay, yes. Then we have finished multiplying the first column. The first row, we are finished multiplying the first column. So we are going to multiply the first row. We are going to use the first row to multiply the second column again, which is 2 and -2. So 4 will multiply 2. I wanted to write it here because of, so 4 multiply 2. 4 multiply 2 plus, it will not go there. The space is too small for what we are doing, so we come and it should have been in a straight line. Should have been in a row form. The first row multiplying first column and second column should have been in a row form. So I would have continued from here. I would have continued from here, then go straight like that. But because of the space, that's why I'm coming to write what I should have written here. I'm going to write it under it. So, but when you are doing it, you should be in a straight distance, since you have enough space. Yes, so know that. So I'm coming to write it here. So 2 will what? Multiply what? Sorry, 4. We are starting with 4. So 4 will multiply what? 2. So we have 4. We have 4 multiplying 2. Then we bring addition sign, plus. Then this 2 will multiply -2. So you have 2 multiplying -2. Okay, 2 multiplying -2. So we have 2 multiplying -2. Okay, then we are done. The first row, it has multiplied the first column, and has multiplied the second column. So we are coming to the second row, 1, 3, 1, 3. So 1, we are taking 1 will multiply the first column. We are going to use 1, 3 to multiply the first column, and use 1, 3 to multiply the second column. So we are taking 1 will multiply -1. So we have 1 multiplying -1 plus 3 multiplying this 5. 3 multiply 5 plus 3 multiplying 5. Okay, yes, this one should have also been in the second row form. It should have been under the first row if we have written this one here. Yes, so but because of the space, that's why I decided to bring it here. Okay, yes. So for this one should be downstairs. Okay, the second row multiplying the first column, the second column should be downstairs. So we have -1 multiplying what? -1. We have 1 multiply -1. So we have 1 multiply -1, and then leave a space, and then should have also continued, but because of the space I'll write it down here. So we have where are we? So so we have finished multiplying the the first column by the first column. We are going to the second column. So 1 will multiply what? 1 will multiply 2. 1 will multiply 2. 1 will multiply 2. Okay, so 1 will multiply what? 2. Then bring the addition sign. So this one, it multiplied these 2. Then you come and take this 3, multiply -2, so plus 3 multiplying what? -2. Okay, you put all of them in your bracket. Okay, yes. Then we come to the next step is to simplify them. We are going to simplify them as it is. So 4 times -1 will give us what? -4, right? Then 2 plus 5, 2 times 5 will give us what? Will give us 10. So we have plus 10. Then 4 times 2 give us what? 8. 4 times 2 give us 8. Then 2 times -2 will give us what? -4. So we have -4. Then we come to this one. -1 times -1 give us what? Give us -1. Then 3 times 5 will give us what? 15, right? So you have plus 15. Then you have plus 15. Then 1 times 2 give us what? This one. 1 times 2 give us what? 2. Okay, 1 times 2 give us 2. Then 3 times 2 give -2 give us what? 3 times -2 give us what? -6. Okay, give us -6. -6. Sorry, you put them in your brackets. Okay, yes. So always make sure you write them in their places. Okay, you write them just exactly in what? In their places. Okay, as I have done this. Okay, so all of them are in their various what? Places. Okay, yes. So we are going to simplify what we have here. So -4 plus +10 will give us what? -4 plus +10 will give us what? Will give us positive what? +6. Okay, yes. Then 8 minus 4. We are subtracting 4 from what? 8. So 8 minus 4 will give us what? Will give us 4, +4, right? Then -1 plus 15 will give us what? -1 plus 15 will give us +14. Then 2 minus 6. We are subtracting 6 from 2 will give us what? -4. Okay, yes. So this is what? Our final answer after what? After multiplying what? After multiplying the two what? Matrices. Okay, after multiplying the two matrices, this is what? Our final answer. So anytime you're being given two matrices to multiply, always make sure what? You first what? You write the two matrices, and then what? You write it in a multiplication form, and then take the first row, multiply the first column, and to multiply the second column. After that, you come and take the second row to also multiply the first column, and to multiply the second column, and then after that you simplify them, and then you get what? Your final answer. Don't forget that this is Eben's mathematics class. Visit the handle, our site at EMC for hot SHS. Okay, and subscribe to the channel to get more videos. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time again. Bye bye.